Hey, what's up, guys? I'm doing a Defogger, Defroster tab replacement. Basically, I got this GMC Suburban, and this tab that powers this whole grid was broken off right here. As you can see, this broke off right here. So I'm going to be replacing this tab. It's supposed to sit like this. I don't know how it broke off. Maybe a kid grabbed it and broke it off. I don't know, but I'm going to be replacing this and showing you how to do it. So on this side, there's also a tab, and this is the ground side, I believe. This usually just sits on it. That's how it's supposed to look. So first, I'm going to grab some needle nose pliers and gently pull this off. You shouldn't have to muscle it too much. It should just pop off. And the other part was in here, and I'll be getting that out as well. But as you can see, it's right there. Sometimes pulling these off, or when they break off, the copper grid kind of gets pulled off with it. And you may want to, instead of putting it right back in the same spot, put it in a different spot, like nearby, like right here. You could totally do that. In fact, some people always do it that way. So something to consider. I put it back in the original spot on mine. I used a Permatex kit. It is electrically conductive adhesive. I also got a new tab from Chevy. Here's the part number for the tab. You can probably get these anywhere. The Permatex kit comes with 2 packets. This blue one, this is just a kind of like, it's like an alcohol sanitizer wipe. It kind of cleans the area and preps it for the adhesive. So you're going to want to wipe wherever you plan to put your tab. For this video, I'm going to put it right here where the old one was, and wipe that area, and then it'll kind of clean it and prep it for the adhesive. Then you want to get this stuff. Now this stuff's really important. You need to mix it a lot. You just use your fingers to mix it all together. It even warns you if you don't mix it all the way, it won't work good. So mix it real good until it's like a dark brown, kind of like that. And then I'm going to get my tab. I didn't really like how this had blue paint on it. I don't even know if it makes a difference, but I cleaned it off just so it wouldn't be on there, because I've seen other tabs that don't have any paint on them. Like I said, I don't know if it really matters, but yeah, I cleaned mine off. I got my my stuff all mixed well. There's my old one. And basically I'm going to put just a tiny little bit on each side of the tabs. A lot of mistakes guys make is they put a bunch on it, and when you put too much, it actually prevents it from conducting. So just put just like a little bit, and then when you put it on, you want to hold it. It says to hold it for a minute. So get it on there, put it on there, hold it for about a minute, and a minute's pretty much how long it took. It'll start holding on its own. It says to wait 24 hours before you hook it up, and also to let it dry. These things, if your car has these, you could stretch these out a little bit so they won't have as much tension pulling on the tab. Just be careful stretching them out, because they'll really stretch out, and then you'll have like a really long one. Just do it a little bit. But yeah, so I got the tab. I let it dry overnight. I'm going to check it now. Hook up a voltmeter, one side to the tab, and have it on resistance 2K on my voltmeter. I'm going to check just for continuity. Now one is on the tab, and then you could come and touch these little grid lines very carefully, and you should have a reading. You should have like 0.13, 0.12, about that. Yeah, and after that, charge it up and you're good to go.